Do you feel pain that radiates down to the arm, like pins and needles, or numbness, and you don't know what to do? Then I'm gonna show you today one exercise to get rid of this pain. Let's get started. Hold your arm on the side at 90 degrees, palm up. From that position, start moving your hand down slowly, doing a wrist extension until you feel a pull on the forearm. Repeat 10 times. You can also do a stretch, same movement, but this time hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds. Be gentle with this exercise. If you feel that symptoms are aggravating, don't hold the position, just do the gentle movement. To make the exercise more challenging, we can start adding neck movements as well. This exercise is called nerve flossing. When hand goes down, head goes towards the same hand. Don't hold the position, just do active movements. Have a try with this exercise. Please let me know in the comments below how it goes for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.